This lentil shakshuka is my hearty take on the classic. Red lentils simmer into a spiced tomato sauce and the eggs poach right in. All you need is red lentils, a can of tomatoes, onion, garlic, red pepper, warm spices, and a few eggs. Start by finely chopping the onion and garlic and dicing the red pepper. Sweat them gently in olive oil until they turn soft and translucent. Toast cumin, paprika, and turmeric briefly, then stir in the rinsed lentils. Pour in the chopped tomatoes and vegetable broth and bring everything to a boil. Cover and let it simmer about 20 minutes until the lentils turn creamy. Press little hollows into the sauce and crack an egg into each one. Lid on, poach 5 minutes, then finish with fresh coriander and yogurt. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.